Okay, so robot welders are cool, but why should we care? The benefits are huge. Let's dive into why these mechanical marvels are revolutionizing the welding industry. First off, they're fast. Robot welders can work much faster than humans, which means more products get made in less time. Imagine an assembly line where every weld is done in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This speed translates to higher productivity and efficiency, allowing companies to meet growing demands without compromising on quality. Second, they're accurate. Remember those sensors and AI we talked about? They help robots make incredibly precise welds, reducing errors and improving quality. This precision is crucial in industries where even the smallest mistake can lead to significant issues. With robotic welders, the margin for error is drastically reduced, ensuring that each product is made to exact specifications. And third, they're safer. Welding can be dangerous for humans, but robots can handle the heat and sparks without getting hurt. This means fewer workplace injuries and a safer environment for human workers. Robots can work in hazardous conditions that would be unsafe for humans, ensuring that the job gets done without putting anyone at risk. More speed, more accuracy, more safety, that's a winning combination. With these advantages, it's no wonder that more and more industries are turning to robotic welders to meet their production needs. The future of welding is here, and it's automated.
Section 4. Not so fast challenges with robot welders.
Now, before we get too carried away, there are some challenges with robot welders. First, they're expensive. Buying and setting up these systems can cost a lot of money.
Second, they need experts to run them. You need skilled technicians to program and maintain these robots.
And lastly, they're not perfect for every job. Sometimes a human welder is still the best choice for complex or delicate welding tasks. So, while robot welders are amazing, they're not a magic solution for everything.
Section 5. Robot welders in action.
So, where are these robot welders being used? Everywhere. In car factories, they're welding car bodies together with speed and precision.
In construction, they're helping build bridges and buildings with strong, reliable welds.
Even in space, robots are being used to weld parts of spacecraft.
As technology improves, we can expect to see even more applications for robot welders in the future. From building underwater pipelines to constructing lunar bases, the possibilities are endless.